Hello, Onur from Needle here. I'm going to talk about our partner program, which we are very excited about. The partner program allows you to turn your workflows into templates, and we feature your templates on our templates directory where other people can discover your templates and start using them. And the great part about the program is that every time someone runs your workflows, you earn a share of the revenue generated from that workflow run. And I am now going to show you the steps needed to be taken to upload a workflow, submit a workflow. And if you are not a user of Needle, you first need to sign up. I'm in IT, 2 to 10 people, friend colleague recommendation, Google Calendar, and then I'm going to choose the last step as Partner Hub, and then I am inside the Partner Hub. For example, if I slide the slider up and down, you can see the revenue changes and you can estimate your own revenue. The way you submit your workflow is that you click this button, submit your workflow, and then because I'm a new user, I don't have a workflow yet, and then I create workflow, and then now I am inside my first workflow. I'm going to create this first, and then I'm going to submit it. And here's my workflow. How it works is that I describe my mood, and then it looks at the liked songs on my Spotify account, and based on my mood, it generates a playlist that reflects my mood. And now that I have my first workflow, I go to the Partner Hub and then click Submit Your Workflow, and then I select the workflow that I just created, and then I describe what my workflow does and how it's useful, and then I submit my workflow. Now it's under review, and we typically review the workflows within 24 hours and then get back to you. And once the submission is approved, I can go to Partner Hub page again, and then here now I see the analytics of my template. For example, how many people viewed it, how many people used it, how many people ran the workflow, and what's my payout based on these runs. And I can also see how my templates are performing over time. This was the process for the Partners program, and we are looking forward to seeing your workflows and use cases.